Wow.
At the Copacabana.
Good morning, it is the 31st of October, current temperature 400,000 million degrees. And we are on our way to Copacabana Beach. And every time I say it out loud, I'm reminded of my father playing Copacabana by Barry Manilow on the keyboard. I do digress. So far we've been to the very north of the island, we've been to the very east of the island, we've been way out west on a boat and it poured with rain, we swam with turtles, we swam by a shipwreck. So these guys don't drink rum, so there isn't really that much to do, and they don't like a lot of history, so there's plenty more stuff that we could be doing, but we have children in tow, so we're not. And I kind of feel like I just want to be at the beach swimming anyway, so. How are you doing, Maria?
I'm doing great, thanks. I'm living my best life.
Driving the Jeep. And can we talk about your foot?
We can talk about my foot.
Talk about foot?
It's about twice the size of a normal size foot, and currently black and blue.
Unfortunately, on the boat trip, which we absolutely loved and can highly recommend, El Tigre boat trips, did 3-hour one?
Yes.
It was very, very good. 2 diving spots and all the drinks you can possibly want. Unfortunately, whilst Maria was disembarking the boat, well, coming to the back of the boat to get her stuff, she clipped her foot on something and
I kicked the boat.
Yeah, I think you've broken.
And I think I've broken some bones across the top of my foot.
Yeah. But like a champ, she's putting a brave face on, putting her big girl pants on and getting on with it.
Absolutely, that's what a mummy does.
It hurts a bit. It hurts a bit.
Yeah, it's smarting.
What? Pink house to the left. To the left of the pink house, if you swim out from Carlisle Bay, to the left of the pink house on the beach, just next to this car park, so over there, you will find turtles about 20 metres from the shore. Is that fair to say?
Yeah, I'm wondering if you maybe shouldn't give that information away. Like,
wow, if they got this far in the video, they deserve to have that information. Right, let's find Copacabana Beach. Here we go.
Where's the entry? Is that it?
That, yeah.
Come back.
Missed turning. Yeah, entrance Copacabana Beach. Quite a rocky beach at Savannah Beach. So Copacabana Beach Club has a deal with Savannah Beach where hotel guests can come here and receive vouchers for drinks and food and stuff like that, and utilise one of the beaches on Carlisle Bay, which is stunning. The car park's not stunning though, I won't show that, but it's enough.
I don't know where we need to go. Down there, I think, where the red sign is.
I think so. They sent an email. You do need 24 hours notice normally, and there is a shuttle which takes you 10 till 3. There we go, that's useful information. Right, here we go.
A few moments later.
Ready to celebrate 31st of October. Everyone knows what day that is. Halloween. They put out some Cookie Monster biscuits and look what they've done to the girls' tongues. Look at that. Go and get one. Go and get one so we can see what it is. This is Drifter's restaurant, by the way, down by the ocean's edge. It's where we come for lunch. These are the cookies that are making Liz's tongue and Bella's tongue go blue. And I'm eating like an 8-year-old. Don't judge, Monolete.
And
Good would you like to introduce us a bit? We got rained off at the beach, so we've come to something Maria particularly wanted to do, which was the boardwalk along the south coast. So we decided to walk up the road because it's cut off from our hotel, which is about there, because the tide's in. So we went along the road for a bit and then cut down and found this way. But I'm gonna give the camera to Maria so she can explain all about the boardwalk.
I don't know anything about it. It's by the shops, but it means you can walk right along the water's edge.
Oh, it got really wet.
I didn't know you. I didn't know you. Just walk up higher.
Okay, go careful, girls.
Walk up higher.
Whoa. There you go. Yeah, the boardwalk is over that way, so we're going to head that way. You ready?
Let's do this!
Another one. Are they going off to the ocean? Wow. Don't get in its face.
There's another one!
He's gone.